guys, welcome to Shami's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna make rich and healthy breakfast pongal. Here are the ingredients. The proportions for a tasty pongal is important, so follow my instructions carefully. I have 1/4 cup of moong dal, 3/4 cup of raw rice. Make sure to wash the rice and the moong dal very thoroughly. I'm gonna pour in the moong dal. Next is the raw rice. Now wash it. Add 4 cups of water after washing. Salt to taste. Now mix it. Pressure cook it for 4 whistles. Now our pongal is ready. It should be slightly overcooked like this. And for the temperance, these 5 ingredients are really important. First, add ghee. Add the cashew nuts. Now mix it. Once they turn golden brown, add it to the pongal. Add ghee. Next, add cumin seeds. Then add pepper. Then ginger. Curry leaves. Hing. That's all. The pongal is ready. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me make pongal. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button. Bye!